Okay, last time I plotted y equals 1 plus x, just as an example, and I think it's nice to have a nice simple example. I'm going to plot some other ones here. I'm going to apply that could have been x plus 1. I'm going to plot y equals x minus 1 just for the hell of it. So we'll set up the axes every time. That's y, that's x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. You needn't draw this every time. Y equals x minus 1. So what I'm going to do is do a table of x and y. 0, 1, 2, 3. And if y equals x minus 1, that's minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2, and so forth. So let's start here. This is x equals 0. That's the y-axis there. X is that y equals minus 1. So there's one of our first points corresponding to this. X equals 1, y equals 0 corresponds to that point there. X equals, that should be a 2. Y equals 1 is this one here, and so on. There's 3, 2, and so forth. And we can draw, just finish that up a bit, and we can draw a nice line joining these points up. Oh, I tried to draw that red. Try that again, just a minute. Try that again, red. Not super neat, but there it is. So we've got a nice little y equals x minus 1 graph here. I'm going to draw them. I'm going to draw it again. That's x, and this is y. This one here was what I'll draw it on the diagonal actually. Let's see if I can do that. Y equals x plus 1, and this one here is y equals x minus 1. We can see it looks like you've moved it that way, but it's easier. It's easy to think of taking that line and just pulling it upwards like that. It's just easy to think about that because we've gone from minus 1 to plus 1. So there should be 2 units there, one there and one there. Okay, stop there.